में हुआ था ये सीन कैसे आ गया इस फिल्म में. So Riya's like, yeah, I'm sorry.
रिया के लिए कितना रिया या आपके लिए कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा ये इस फिल्म को बनाना और आयशा के बाद या फिर से प्रूव करना होगा मतलब.
I feel that if I didn't have a partner like Shashank, then it would have been challenging, but it was just fun. We had the idea, we went to go out together with our writer, and we just had a blast, and we just laughed and had a good time and wrote it and then worked really hard. And he's a really good friend of mine and a really good collaborator, and so it is a challenge at times, but mostly it's just fun. So I've really had a good time. It's been one of the greatest experiences of my life. And then once we got, into a partnership with Disney, it just got even better because it's so good to work with people who you, vibe with. You have a cultural sensibility with you. They understand you and you understand them. So for me, it just seemed organic and very natural, like an extension of what, we always wanted to do. And the film is such that it just makes you happy. I'm not really ready to make depressing films yet. When I will be, I'll do it, maybe a little later on. But I just like to make happy films that make other people happy. So for me, it's, just a rewarding experience. It's been great.
Changes क्या Shashank, if you can share. आपके right.
Changes क्या है?
I think original Khoobsurat se we've taken it a little forward into the area of romance. So the original one was just a clash of values and families, basically values within families. I think we've just taken it a little further, but we've held on to the core idea there.
I'd like to ask Sonam. Here.
Hi.
Here.
हाँ, see you.
You're
Okay.
looking somewhere else.
Where? Okay, hi.
First of all, I really love the trailer. It's too interesting.
Thank you.
आप ट्रेलर में बहुत शरारती चुलबुली नटखट सी लग रही हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो सेट पे भी इतनी मस्ती की.
Oh God, Shashank, what supposed to say?
I'd like to tell him something.
नहीं, क्या हो गया था? Problem ये है because Shashank and Riya and the writers knew me so well. उन्होंने ये character बहुत I think हर फिल्म में सब पूछते हैं कि is this character a lot like you? Is their character a lot like you? They very shamelessly taken every part of my personality and exposed me completely in this film. If any character has ever been close to who I am as a person, it's Mrinalini, Millie, Dr. Millie, and it's embarrassing and it's amazing and it was a very annoying thing on set. I was like, ये तो मेरे लाइफ में हुआ था, ये सीन कैसे आ गया इस फिल्म में? So Riya's like, yeah, I'm sorry. Shashank was like, oh, I didn't think of it that way. I was like, you're such a liar. So yeah, they've basically, तो ये basically मेरी personality है.
विक्रम को भी परेशान किया सेट.
हाँ,
अगर
बहुत.
विक्रम कुछ बोलना चाहे उस पे.
Torture किया है.
Torture विक्रम सही कह रही हैं वो.
Fawad Torture Khan.
नहीं, not at all. I think रोल की हद तक I think जिस तरह रोल निभाया है उसके अंदर I think उन्होंने बहुत torture किया. That was a part of her job and she really played it very aptly to the letter. But as a co-star, she's a very accommodating person, very warm and very welcoming, and extremely supportive. So I used to take my time settling in. मेरे लिए it was a completely alien environment, completely new environment, and not just her, everyone, Riya, Shashank, the whole production team, Manoj, Saurabh, all of them, even down to our help. Names like Preetham, Bharat, everyone all together, they just like made sure that we were completely comfortable.
There's
So,
also Ratna ji and Kiran ji you've worked
जी
with.
बिल्कुल, all of them, the whole family.
experience
It was an amazing experience. Like I said, मेरे लिए एक नई environment में काम करना, एक नए माहौल में काम करना. For me, for a person like me, I consider myself to be a bit of a social recluse. Coming out and interacting with new people is a bit of a task for me. So I think they left no stone. कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी उन्होंने इस काम में कि मुझे comfortable किया जाए और for it to be an enjoyable experience.
No, it is everything pretty much. No.
The cast doesn't matter. You just need good producers. No, okay.
I second that.
I would, yeah.
Absolutely.
I must say that. I mean, I was just following Riya all the way through the film.
Don't blame it on me.